Okay, here's the two rotors on the shaft. I got bearing down here, a nut down there, hub, rotor, hub, rotor, hub, shaft. There's that slot with the key through it. And most important, see that red line, see that silver line, see that red line, see that silver line? These have to be exactly straight. So that's the center of this magnet, center of this magnet. Okay, now I got 3 rotors on the shaft now. And previous shot, there was just 2 rotors on the shaft. Now I got 3. We know it needs to be 79 millimeters is tight between here and here to fit these coils in between here. And I measured the other stator plate, and it's 83 millimeters to be absolutely tight. So let's say add 4 millimeters. So that'll be, we want this to be exactly 83 millimeters across right here. See, I got these gaps here, and I'm going to put in some spacer plates. I have something right here. See that pull together? You notice that the magnets are north-south. They want to pull together. North-south, they want to pull together. So I want 85 millimeters between here and here, and 83 millimeters between here and here in order to fit those stator plates in between these 2 rotors. So I'm going to cut some discs out and put them in here, and that'll be the next step. Okay, I took apart the 3 rotors and just have 1 on there now. This one's good, straight, everything's good with this. I put a shim here. And also, I took some JB Weld. It's 5-minute type. Smeared it on here. And also here. And I had put this together already. And I cut these 84 millimeters across. That's giving it 79 millimeters tight. So I put these there to make sure the gap between the 2 rotors is just what it should be. And I decided it's going to be 84 millimeters. That's 5 millimeters more, 2.5 on each side. I'll give it a little bit of air gap. So then also I took some wax release stuff you use so glue won't stick, and I smeared that thin coat inside here, and also on this surface. So when I slide this on, I can take it apart. Problem is, I can't just put it all together and then assemble it. I have to first put it in with this rotor, then install the next stator plate, install this rotor, install the next stator plate, install the last rotor, and then do the frame end. So I need to be able to assemble it too. So I'm making it so it can come apart easily and go together easily. Okay. Okay, I'm hammering in this other rotor. There it is. Now here's those 84 millimeter things I was talking about. That's what I want it to be all the way around. It's a little tighter over here. Okay, so that one's in. I can take it apart too if I need to. Okay, putting this third rotor on. So I have these 88 millimeter. I'm giving this because it's 83 tight, so I'm giving it 5 millimeters, so it goes to 88. This is 88 millimeters. And you can see the gap in there. So I need to fill that. And then I'll have the rotor spaced pretty good.